Ready to bring your stories to life and chat with characters that feel real? Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Chief. Hi, I am Emily, and today we are stepping into a whole new world of interactive storytelling and role-playing. Get ready to explore SillyTavern AI, the AI-powered chatbot that brings your stories and characters to life like never before. Whether you are into creating fantastical adventures or just having lighthearted conversations, this tool is designed to take your imagination to new heights. Before we dive in, do not forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews and demos of the best AI tools out there. So, what is SillyTavern AI all about? It is a versatile chatbot platform built for interactive storytelling and role-playing. Imagine customizing characters, crafting your own narrative, and engaging with them in real time, all powered by AI. It is perfect for gamers, writers, and anyone who loves diving deep into imaginative worlds. The best part? It works seamlessly with various language models, letting you customize your experience to suit your creative goals. Let's talk about what makes SillyTavern AI truly special. The first thing is its interactive role-playing. Create immersive scenarios and interact with AI characters as if they are part of your story. It offers character customization. The platform lets you define everything: personality, appearance, and even speech style, making each interaction unique. It also provides multiple language model support. You can choose from various AI models, ensuring flexibility and a tailored experience. Its user-friendly design ensures that both beginners and advanced users can easily dive into the fun. Like any tool, SillyTavern AI has its strengths and areas for improvement. It is highly customizable for characters and scenarios. SillyTavern AI has an intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. However, on the other hand, the tool requires integration with external APIs for full functionality. It has limited offline capabilities. Talking about its pricing, SillyTavern AI is free and open-source software, available under the AIChief 3.0 license, which means users can access all its features without any cost. In summary, SillyTavern AI is a powerhouse for anyone who loves creative storytelling and interactive role-playing. If you are ready to bring your imagination to life, give SillyTavern AI a try. You will be amazed at what you can create. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Chief. For more exciting reviews and demos of the best AI tools, see you in the next one.